Hello guys, this is Rajdip here. Today I'm going to tell you something. This is for all, everybody. This app concept is for everybody, but especially for some of the people, those who are looking for investment, like investors, entrepreneurs, as well as the CEOs. And this is the concept of the concept of a bike repairing. I mean to say, like, in our daily lives, day-to-day lives, we have a lot of technologies, and we bring those technologies into our life, daily life, and make our life much more easier. But some of the cases, like, we are still into the old school methodology. So like example, it will be like, if I am driving with my car or with my bike, and suddenly it got punctured, or my fuel got over, then what to do? To whom should I contact? So currently I'll be contacting my colleagues or my family member, and they have come to my place and they help me out, right? Or else I can book a cab, max to max I can book a cab. I can go to the bike shop, I can pick the guy and I can come back. Or else I can go if it is a night or something like that. So I can park the bike and go with him to my home. But tomorrow I will not be knowing that my bike will be safe or not. So those all the miss point, right? So to kill all the stuff, I have introduced one app called Bike Repair. You can call it whatever you want it, but for now I give a name to it, like called Bike Repair. So let's go through it, so you can guys can understand what I'm trying to do it here. So this is my home screen. Homes. The page I have is like iPhone, and this is the app I have downloaded from App Store called Bike Repair. Once I click on it, it will take me to it's a for first time user, and this is the home page. We are welcoming, like they are telling the services, what are the services we are going to do it. Like it's a bike, it can be a car, it can be a truck, it can be a bus, it can be ambulance, it can be anything related to a vehicle. So let's get started. Once I started, it tells me to sign. If I don't sign in, or if I didn't register, I can register myself, or I can directly sign in to from the Touch ID. So let's take you to register. So I click on register. I fill the form, and then say submit. Once I submit, my OTP will register. I enter my OTP. Then I say verify. I come back to home. I come to home page. So this is the home page, and here I'm tracking your location, the GPS location. In order to type anything or search anything, your location will be automatically captured here. Okay, because of while you are booking your order, so that time we trace your location. So currently I'm showing it here like a bike, two categories, like a bike or scooter. If you have a bike, what type of bike it is a normal bike, sports bike, or a bullet, or it can be a bullet also, right? So this is one step, and below that I'm showing you the nearest bike repair shop. Those are the name of the shops, how far it is from your place, and did it's open or closed. If it's open, I can directly call from our app. uh, and this is one section, and another section will be like if you have a car, like what type of car you have, like a Mercedes taxi or a normal car, Indica. So, and also I'm going to show you some of the more information, valuable information. It's called like nearest petrol pump. This stuff will be completely refreshing date. As per changes your location. So let's take a tour for the. If I have a scooter, call inside a scooter, I have an Activa right now. So I click on Activa. It takes me to a page where I can select the problem that I have right now. If I my tire got punctured, then come, and so these are the basic means like the very basic problems that I picked up. You guys can make it more deep. So right now I'm taking like tire puncture, start problem, petrol, low petrol, engine repair, or towing service. So let's say like I select this one, then I say continue. Then it tells me like how many tires I got punctured. Like I pressed for 2, and I don't need to share my location again. It's already tracked, and it's showing a billing amount. I can make a payment, or if I want to make any changes, so I come back, I minimize this one, this pop up, and select low petrol. This card got changed, right? Previously it was like only 599, and now it became 899, 898, because I also included 1 liter of petrol. Then I say continue. So once I continue, it opens the same pop-up with but and adding this low petrol as extra additional stuff. Then showing me the full bill here, and then I say make payment. So once I select, it's telling me how much amount is total amount and how much I have in my wallet, like the way we are doing it, like like for the Swiggy, Ola, Uber, anything. It can just give a card details and blah blah blah, then say amount to pay, then you got the OTP, and say verify. You'll get, once you verified, so your book has been assigned to somebody. The name of the guy is called Suresh, and he's from the Honda Service Center, nearest Honda Service Center. You can directly call, or you can, unfortunately, if you close it, you can come here and you can see it from here. So it tells you like where he is right now and how much time it will take to come to your place. So this is all about over this idea. You guys can think of it. You guys can make it more prominent. And thank you so much. Or if anybody wants to talk with me to build this, please feel free to contact me. Thank you so much.